What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. Gang, 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 gang. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. So, today I'm going to do a hair... No. You like messing up my tutorials, Jackie boy? Do you? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. So, today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial, how I curl my hair. I usually only curl it like one or two different ways, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it today. Excuse my shirt, got home from the gym not too long ago, had to film this right away, so this is my gym fit. What's up? So yeah, I'm just gonna jump into this video. So this right here is the curling iron that I'm going to be using today. I don't really know when I got it, where I got it, how I got it, but it has interchangeable, like, what are they called? Irons, interchangeable curling irons. So this is the one that I'm going to be using, which is like the thickest, roundest one. I don't know how many inches this is, but this is like comparing them. This one's a little bit smaller. Your curls will be more tight with this one, but we want our curls to be loose, so I'm going to be using this thicker one. You can find curling irons like this almost anywhere online. I mean, I'm sure you could find 20 billion different options on Amazon, so just go on, read the reviews, and find one that you like. But I'm going to be using that, so it's warming up right now. I washed my hair not too long ago, like maybe 2 days ago, so it's still in pretty good condition. It's not looking too oily at the top. I haven't had to dry shampoo it yet, but I do not personally like to wash my hair every day because I just don't think it's good for my hair, and I also have so much hair that like washing it every day would be an absolute nightmare for me. So I just wash it when I look at my hair and I'm like, girl, it's been like 2 weeks. I think you need to wash your hair now. But anyways, yeah, my hair's in pretty good condition. I thought I had brushed it all out. So I'm going to show you guys the way that I part my hair. It doesn't have to be perfect. I don't really like my hair to look perfect anyways. I just don't like that look. I'd rather it look messy and like, ooh. I just take my fingers, run it across the back of my head, above my ears. So I'm just going across my ears and tying the first half up. Just cut it in a bun, like so. And then with the bottom half of my hair, I'm just going to split it down the middle and put it on both sides of my hair. By the way, you guys, I already heat protect sprayed my hair. I'll enter a picture of the ones that I used, and I'll also put it in the description so you guys can use the same one. This heat protectant spray is very like heavy duty, so you don't want to use too much. You literally just need like a little spritz, and I just put it on the ends of my hair just because that's where it's most damaged for me, and also because I don't do this every day to my hair. I don't like to curl my hair every day. I'd rather just throw it up or braid it or do something a little more natural so it doesn't have so much heat on it, just because I've had so much damage in the past because I went like platinum blonde and had platinum blonde hair for 3 years, so my hair is like still trying to recover from that, so I don't put as much heat on it. But just make sure you guys are taking care of your hair. you know yourself better than anyone else. So I'm gonna take a piece about this big, nothing too crazy. And I always curl my hair away from my face, so I'm just gonna take this curling iron. It's all heated up now. I'm not gonna put it at the root of my hair, but I'm gonna put it like about there, like if you could see that, and just wrap it. And I'll hold this for about 15 seconds and let it go. And then I just kind of hold the piece of hair in my hand like this until it cools down a little bit, and then I'll let it go. And that's what your curls should look like. So once I curled it, I just throw it in the back and I move on to the next piece. Nope, that go too soon. Okay, so once I finish the bottom half of my hair, I'm just going to take off the top half. And I part my hair kind of weird, like I've never heard of, oh, well I guess I'm not doing that part. I'm doing a middle part, so it shouldn't be as weird. But I'm just going to kind of go like, I don't know, everyone just knows how they part their hair. Like just part your hair how you want to part your hair. I'm doing a middle part, you part it how you want to, but this is just how I part mine. Like I said, I have a lot of hair, a lot, so this is why I don't even curl it that often. It just takes too long. It's too tedious for me, you know? But curling my hair is a lot faster than straightening it, which a lot of people find surprising. But like, for me, when I straighten my hair, I want it to look like straight. So it takes me a long time to just make sure it looks good, like how I like it. Okay, so the next part, you already guessed it, we're going to be parting our hair down the middle. So if you don't have long fingernails like I do, I just used a comb, but I have long nails, so I just use my nail. So like on a super side note, for the first time in months, like I honestly can't even remember, I went to the gym 5 days this week and I was so proud of myself. Like, it's just crazy. But like, if I can be completely honest with you guys, like I just don't deem that necessary for myself. Like, I don't know, I feel like the 5th day I was bored, like I didn't know what to do because maybe I just need a new routine or something, but I was just like, this sucks. Like I already worked out everything. I've been sore all week. Like I don't know what else to do. So, I don't know. I don't think I've been doing horrible. Like 4 days hasn't been dreadful. Like I haven't accomplished anything, but I just don't deem it necessary for myself to go 5 days a week. I think I would rather film or something. I love the gym, don't get me wrong. And maybe I would go more often if I had someone to record me there, but you know, it is what it is. God. I promise So guys, once I move out, I won't have recording situations like this where I have to, you know, do a hair tutorial in the laundry room because I can't film in my own bedroom. Okay. Whoa. What's up? I'm just gonna part my hair the same exact way on this side. So just straight back. And I always part this side really bad. So the way I see parting your hair, it's all going to get curled regardless of how neat the part is. So it doesn't really matter if it's straight or not. No, not really. And I hope you do. That one needs to be redone, girlfriend. We're almost there, you guys. Almost there. For all my ladies with thick hair, I know y'all feel what I'm going through right now. I know y'all seen me stretching my arm out a little bit ago. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so as you guys can see, my hair is all curled. It's looking lavishly. This is what it looks like from the back. Really super sexy type of curls. So the next thing that I like to do, I do not use hairspray. Okay, I don't like hairspray. I don't like how it makes my hair sticky, and my hair holds up just fine. I don't need hairspray for my hair, but if you want to use hairspray, feel free. But I am going to use this. I am going to use this cream. Is it creme or cream? Cream? Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to be using that on my hair right now, as well as just a toothbrush. So all I do is look for any flyaways. And just kind of go into my hair and brush them down. Once I do like the top part of my head, I like to just go right here on my forehead and brush this part of my hair. And then I just take like a little piece from up top and I kind of just cover it like that. So that for me, that just kind of opens up my forehead because I have a really small forehead, which a lot of people cannot relate to. Most people have really big foreheads, but I have a really small forehead, so it's because I have literally so much hair. So any type of way that I could open up my forehead a little bit, I try to do. So I just like to do that and then brush away any little baby hairs that I could still see. And a little bit of this stuff goes a really long way. You don't need a whole lot. You just need a little tiny bit to kind of just get your hair moved over to the side. And then I just pull my hair forward and I kind of look at it just to see if I like how curly it is, if I want it to be a little bit more wavy, if I want it to be more curly, I'll go in and add some curls. I just analyze my hair, see what I like. Obviously, oh, that piece is not curled. So that's what it looks like brushed, as opposed to this side, which hasn't been brushed out. So I'm just gonna brush out my hair because I like the way that it looks better when it's brushed. It looks more full to me and just more natural kind of type of curls. So that is what my hair looks like, you guys. Super cute, super bouncy. So that's pretty much what I do, guys. And if you use hairspray, you could obviously just go through your hair, spray it real quick, bounce them up, but I don't like a hairspray, so you do what you like. But that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching another day, another video of moi. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.